Welcome to the eP2P application user tutorial guide. In this tutorial, the user will be guided on how to generate subordinate and department reports. To generate subordinate and department reports, the user will need to go My Subordinate Department Absences Information. To view the leave absences for department, user need to go to Department tab. To view the leave absences for subordinate, user need to go to Subordinate tab. To view the leave absences for subordinate by calendar, user need to go to Calendar tab. The user has to choose the leave absences type. The user has to choose the leave status. Select the listing employee that you want to generate the report. Select the date that you want to generate the report. Click Next. Once done, the following screen is displayed. The leave absences information report will appear. User may refer description of each color by clicking the link on the top right. If user generate more than one employee, user need to click Next button to view the next employee leave absences information.